What's going on, everyone? In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about the Holy Grail, how to increase your sales and your profits on Amazon at the same time. We're going to be talking about one client that I've been working with for the last 12 months. Their sales went from around 7k a month, 750 quid profit, to this month over £30,000 in sales with close to £4,000 a month profit. That's a 10% margin to a 13% margin. We've gone up as high as 16% net margin in the way. Now we're settling around 13% net margin, but we're growing fast. I'm going to talk to you about the 3 strategies that we've implemented on this brand to grow at this rate and manage to maintain profits along the way. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned. I run Optimize E-commerce, which is an Amazon marketing agency. So if you need more help with any of this sort of thing, comment below, use the link in my bio and book yourself in a call. Let's dive into the strategies. So the first key strategy, which you might not be using, is price testing on Amazon. Depending on your brand, this can be make or break and can improve your profits and increase your sales tenfold. There's different brands that we work with. This brand in particular, we actually raised the prices and it improved our net margin. We managed to maintain our sales and even grow our sales even at a higher price. Another brand that I'm working with, we dropped our prices and that meant that we had to spend less on advertising and our net margin actually improved even though our price had dropped. So it definitely does depend on what you're selling, what your brand's positioning is, but I would highly recommend testing a few different price points for some of your best selling products and just tracking results using something like Sellerboard, which is what I've got on the screen in the background. I'll leave a link to this in the bio. This basically helps you track all your profits and your costs and expenses on Amazon. So I would highly recommend it. The second thing we focused on was optimizing listings. I still see to this day so many products on Amazon with poor quality images, keyword stuff titles, and just really bad written descriptions and bullet points. You cannot get away with this anymore. In 2025, if you've not got high resolution, high quality product images, infographics, A+ content, very well written titles and descriptions, then you're not going to be able to gain market share. You're not going to be able to increase your sales, increase your profits, and really grow your brand. It just doesn't work anymore. You can't expect to just list a product on Amazon once, throw some advertising at it and expect sales to grow over time. It just doesn't happen, I'm afraid. So with this client, we basically took a complete overview of their entire catalog. We redid their titles, we redid their product images, we implemented new A+ content, and then retested this over time with A/B split testing to basically optimize the results. This obviously improved conversion rate across the board, improved click-through rates across the board, and it meant more people were clicking on the listings and a higher percentage of the people that clicked were buying the products. This then helped us increase our ranking. Any ad spend improved this further, and this is how we managed to grow our sales and our profits at the same time. The third key area that we focused on was investing in the brand's best sellers. This is something that I look at for all the clients that we work with. If you've already got 2-3 products that are contributing to 70-80% of the brand's revenue, and you can see that there's room to push these even further, then instead of bringing out new products, try focus on scaling these as high as you can first. By scaling a product, you're going to be investing more in inventory, but that's generally going to drop the cost price down, which is going to give you even more room to maneuver. Plus, if you can push your best sellers onto page 1 of certain keywords, it's going to drive more traffic to your brand anyway. If you then implement something like a multi-buy strategy, the more traffic that comes in and they're incentivized to buy some of your other lower selling products, it's going to help your margins all round. So that's something that we did with this brand and something that we do with most of the brands we work with actually. Please feel free, if you're not done already, to focus in on these 3 key areas that I've talked about in the video and let me know how you get on. Let me know if you've seen any growth in your profits and your sales. Remember, if you need any more help with this, I run optimizeecommerce.com, which is an Amazon marketing agency. We've worked with multiple brands now that have gone from 0 to 6 figures in the first year. Some of the brands we're working with are now doing millions per year on Amazon. So if you need any help with this, you want someone to take care of it all, manage it for you, you need new images, new listings, management on your advertising, drop me a comment below. Use the link in the bio and book yourself in a call. We can then have a chat to see if we're a good fit to work together. Hope the video's been useful. Hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Cheers, guys.